So the abattoir was opened in 2012. It was built with de minimis money out of Europe. So we got a lump sum of 460,000 euros. The sheep come through in their family groups, we keep them together, it keeps the stress level down. And again, if you keep the stress levels down, then you end up with better meat. I go and speak to them, and I sing to them. The animal can tell. I read them, they read me. I sing to them, bring them down, calm them down, tell them everything's going to be okay. That is the respect to the animal. You get them here, you slaughter them, push them through. You don't slap the meat, you don't push the meat, you don't work with it violently. And when the butcher gets it and he marks, again, he treats it with respect. And then you get the best steak ever. Here we have an array of beasts. They all need to be slowly matured to get the best of the beast. That's the best thing to do, we know. Let the show begin. This one was 13.3 kilo, which is slightly on the bigger side for doing this rolling. The ideal weight for doing this sort of thing is about 10 kilo. If I get to work Crofter, he can tell me the mum, he can show me the dad, and he can literally take me to the very spot that it was born in. I do not think there are very many other places that test that testability. So. And this one's air miles is zilch. Nothing. It's travelled maybe 8 miles. And this is what I'm trying to get across the folk here in Shetland is, look what's on your own doorstep. I would really like at the folk could actually see what they can get out of a lamb. It's not just roast dinners or chops. No, there is a whole array of other cuts. There's different ways of cooking it.
We've got couscous and cumin and apricots in there, and this was just a slice of that lamb. This is native lamb. Native lamb means that the lamb is born and reared in Shetland. Its parents are both Shetland native breed, so it's the Piri animals that are the tastiest, that the Shetlanders love to eat. It's so important that it has a protected designation of origin, and we have that because we have an abattoir where the animal can be slaughtered in Shetland without having to go to the mainland. That's nicely brown on one side, and then we'll give that another few minutes on the other side, and then we'll add the onions and the vegetables. And any root vegetables are great for this. Let's get this into the oven. That's had a good, maybe 2 hours, I think. And the smell is amazing. Because mind, it's a whole lamb that's been rolled, so this might be a bit of the leg, this might be a bit of the shoulder. For today, I'm going to cut a couple of slices off it, and then the rest of it could go back in the fridge, slice it up maybe in a bannock, or heat it up again with tatties another day, or you could cut it into pasta or rice. Nothing will be wasted.